Today, I am going to brief through you the unfortunate incident of Kimin a month ago, being shown as vulgar Assam, had drawn lot of sentiments, criticism from various corners. In order to get into the root of the issue, the state government, Honorable Chief Minister Sri Pema Khandu, constituted a high-level committee with Home Minister as chairman and Honorable Minister Education, Honorable Advisor Home, Principal Secretary Home, Director General of Police, Divisional Commissioner West, and IGP Law and Operation as members. The high-level committee visited Kimin on 29th June 2021 and interacted with all the officials of district administration, ITBP, BRO, and public representatives. The high-level committee in their findings clearly pointed to the few officers of BRO to be entirely responsible for the blunder. The High Power Committee submitted the recommendations to the state government. Alongside the apex organization of all the community-based organization, that is Arunachal Indigenous Tribes Forum, had also constituted a fact-finding committee on the Kimin issue, which among others were BRO solely responsible for the BRO officers. I repeat, BRO officers solely responsible for the entire incident. Therefore, disciplinary action against officer concerned may be initiated. While taking into account the recommendations made by the high-level committee and the fact-finding committee of AITF, a meeting was taken by me with Lieutenant General Rajiv Chaudhary, Director General BR, today in presence of Chief Secretary, Principal Secretary Home, and Commissioner to Chief Minister. Director General BRO was briefed about the findings and recommendations of the high-level committee and fact-finding committee of AITF on Kimin by learned Chief Secretary. Lieutenant General Rajiv Chaudhary, DG BRO, while thanking the state government for its initiative to resolve the issue, mentioned that he is also seized of the Kimin incident and express regret, I repeat, express regret for erroneously showing Kimin as part of Assam. He stated that Kimin has always been a part of Arunachal Pradesh and will always remain so. I repeat, Director General of BR stated that Kimin has always been a part of Arunachal and will always remain so. After a detailed deliberations, it was agreed upon in the meeting today. 1. FIR दिया गया है, तो इसको हम लोग किस तरह से ले जाना, अभी मैटर इज ऑलमोस्ट इन रिजॉल्व फॉर्म. डायरेक्टर जनरल ने एग्री किया, उन्होंने एक्सप्रेस भी किया कि गलत हुआ है हमारा नीचे में, डाउन द लाइन में. वैसे भी ये बॉर्डर रोड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है पिछला करीब 5 डिकेड से हमारा अरुणाचल में सर्विस दे रहा है, लेकिन इसके चलते ये किमिन का जो एक प्रोग्राम में को ऑफिसर्स जो डाउन द लाइन में गलत किया, तो उसका आधार पर रिग्रेट भी उन्होंने एक्सप्रेस किया डायरेक्टर जनरल ने, और ये भी कमिटमेंट दिया कि आगे कभी ऐसा ना हो, जहाँ भी सर्विस देंगे वहाँ का लोगों को समझे, और हम लोग एक रेस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन के नागरिक होने का नाते हमको भी रेस्पॉन्सिव होना ज़रूरी है. अभी इशू को और आगे ना बढ़ाए, मैटर को इसमें रहिए, और हम लोग एश्योरेंस दे, सरकार एश्योरेंस देता है कि एवरीथिंग विल बी डन अकॉर्डिंगली, जैसा हम लोग जो है उसमें ये एग्रीमेंट में आया है. तो थ्रू यू आई वांट टू अपील टू द इंटायर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश, एज वेल एज आई ऑल्सो थैंक्स टू देम फॉर हैविंग यूनिवोकली एंड यूनाइटेडली स्टैंड टुगेदर ऑन द मैटर, क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा एक देशभक्त रहा, तो उससे आज भी वो दिखाया है, एंड वी शुड कंटिन्यू टू go accordingly. Thank you very much. Initiate inquiry on the entire episode and a PIC's responsibility. 2. The inquiry will be concluded at the earliest without any delay. Based on number 3, based upon the findings of the inquiry, suitable appropriate action will be taken. 4. In order to ensure fair inquiry, concerned BRO officers or officials will be transferred to other locations, and I want to tell you already 3 senior officers has been already transferred for fair inquiry. 3 senior officers from the BRO posted at Arunachal has been transferred to some other location. Number 5, the storage of dangerous construction materials such as explosives from the Kimin depot, which is situated within the town, will be shifted to some other safer location. So these are the points which has been come into agreement today in the meeting with Director General of Border Road Organization. I would therefore request my esteemed fellow citizens of Arunachal Pradesh and the people of Kimin in particular to conclude the issue here. All the matters raised are being taken care of. Let us all deem the issue to be resolved here. I would like to extend my gratitude to the Arunachal Indigenous Tribe Forum and all other CBOs, including students, youths, civil societies, for their kind intervention in resolving the vexed issue. They took all the pain to visit the area and interact with the stakeholders so that an amicable solution is derived. Their recommendations have been flagged and duly considered for action at the earliest. Last but not the least, my sincere gratitude to the people of Arunachal Pradesh for standing tall and united during these trying times. This strength of ours has has to be postered. I repeat, this strength of ours has to be postered. Our patriotism towards our beautiful nation stands resolute as ever. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Arunachal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.